Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As per usual, I'll get to it. So, critiquing my own pieces of sketches is you can be quite harsh on yourself, and I think this is a good way of learning very quickly. And also, if you apply learning methods like geometric, observational, good speed along with the feedback loop, you are more effective with your time and efficient with how you apply the skills. So, first sketch, as you can see, it's quite large. This is an A4 sketch pad, and I essentially took up the whole thing with that one sketch, which I shouldn't have done. I know I shouldn't have done, but I wanted to see if I could actually create the sketch, and I think I've done a fair job. There are some elements, of course, that I would like to change or improve upon for next time, but on the whole, I'm actually quite happy with the results. And I was trying to get emotions out of, like, try and get the emotions down onto paper this time, hence why I then try to concentrate on the eyes on the second sketch. So every day is a learning day, and I shall put this down to learning again. Geometric, observational, good speed, and the feedback loop is what I utilise at the moment. Let me know what you think. I'll get back to you.